A Pareto chart is a type of bar graph where we can have categories and their frequencies will be reflected by the heights of the bars. So I'm going to complete a Pareto chart for this study conducted to determine how people found jobs. It says 400 subjects were randomly selected and the results are listed below. So the most common way that people had found jobs was through online services. 124 is the frequency. So we just need a bar with a height of 124 there. Okay, the next most frequent category was networking, 103. Newspaper ads had a frequency of 72 responses. Executive search firms has a frequency of 69. And mailings, a frequency of 32.